we're going to interview the members of Little Einstein. So, are you excited, Andrea? So, let's go find them. Hi, Clark.
Hi.
So, we have a question for you.
What is that?
What is atom?
Atom. Atom is the basic unit of matter which makes up the physical world. Everything you see in the universe are made of atoms.
Oh, so how can I see atom?
In order for you to see an atom, you need to use a special microscope called scanning tunneling microscope.
Hi, thank you, Clark. Hi, Joanna. So, do you know what's inside the atom?
Oh yes, so atoms have three subatomic particles. So first one is the positively charged protons. Second one is electrically neutral neutrons and surrounded by negatively charged electrons. So the protons and neutrons are packed together into the center of an atom, which is called the nucleus.
Thank you. Oh, hi, Pat. What are you doing?
Hi, I'm reading.
Oh, so do you know what is the meaning of elements?
Oh, elements are composed of atoms, and elements are species of atoms which have equal number of protons in their atomic nuclei or atomic number. For example, the element oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8, so meaning the oxygen have all the atoms which equally have 8 protons.
So, can you discuss more of it?
118 elements have been identified, and the first 94 of it appear naturally here on Earth, while the remaining 24 elements are considered as synthetic elements because they are the product of different laboratory experiments.
So, okay, thank you. Oh, hi, Mark. What is that?
So this is the modern periodic table of the elements. So how do elements are arranged?
How?
So this is a table which are the chemical elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number. The elements which are the similar properties are in the same column which we call group. And the elements with the same number of electron shells are in the same row which we call period. And that's how it's arranged.
Oh, thank you, Mark. Let's go. Oh, hi, Mark. So, Andrea has a question for you.
So how does the universe form?
Everything in our universe formed from a singularity is a very hot and very dense point, and actually some scientists say that actually there was no explosion but only expansion, and they called it as inflation.
How does the first element form?
At this time the universe was so hot that atoms cannot be existed, and as the universe expands and inflate, the universe cooled down, and it allowed atoms to exist, and the first element that existed was hydrogen.
How does the stars form?
After the formation of the first element, it followed by the helium, which is the second lightest element, and the fusion of hydrogen and helium signaled the birth of stars.
So, thank you, Mark. Let's go, Andrea. Hi, guys. Have you seen Jimwell? Hi. Thank you. Hi, Jimwell. So, we have a question for you. Can you cite some theories about how matter was made?
So there are many ideas and theories how matter is made. First is the idea of Empedocles, which stated that there are 4 elements that results in the creation of matter, which is the fire, water, air, and earth. We believe that all things that have been created in our world is because of the combination of these 4 elements. Next is Democritus introduced that there is small particles called atoms, and he believed that matters are indivisible from one another. So next, Aristotle rejected that idea, and he states that matter are continuous. And next is
Oh, Aaron. So we're going to ask Aaron. Thank you. So let's go find Aaron. There he is. Aaron! Hey there. So, Jimwell said that you can continue some theories.
Atomic theories, is that correct?
Yes. So can you now explain to us?
Okay, so first we have John Dalton, who introduced the solid sphere theory. The solid sphere theory states that solid sphere theory states that an atom or an element differs the number of electrons with each different kind of elements. And then I'm just gonna pass all the information so we could go very fast. The next theory was with J.J. Thomson with the plumbing, the plum pudding theory, which states that all the subatomic particles are all inside the atom, which means that the electron, the protons, and the neutrons are all inside a big plum pudding. And then the next one is the nuclear theory, which states that the electrons actually has their own orbits and they differ from each other. It was made by Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford has a student named Niels Bohr. So what he basically did is he improved Ernest Rutherford's model and turned it into the planetary model, which states that not each electron has its own orbit, but two or more electrons may orbit may be inside one orbit, which gave way to the most accepted and widely used atomic theory, the quantum theory, and the quantum theory paved the way to complete the periodic table.
So that's it. Now, thank you. Now let's find little Einstein.